What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I got for you a brand new drone here on the channel. This is the HOLY STONE HS100. I think I've had a HOLY STONE drone before, probably one of the smaller ones. I'm not quite sure, but I'm pretty sure I did. And so far, every drone I've owned, I actually liked. You know, they all flew well, they all did what they're supposed to do, and you know, it's about time I get something a little bit bigger. Now, you guys know I already have the Phantom 3 standard, but hey, there's always room for one more drone, guys. So this is the HOLY STONE series. Now this one comes equipped with FPV at a 120-degree angle. You also get a wide angle 720p HD Wi-Fi camera, which I can't wait to try out. GPS at the bottom right here. You also get key return home, follow me, intelligent battery, altitude hold, headless mode, HD camera, a 9-axis gyro, and of course it is 4-channel. So I can't wait to check out this drone. It is kind of more on the affordable side, so if you guys want to get into video recording and you don't want to go, you know, $400 or $500 starting off with the Phantom, this might fit into your price point. I do believe this comes in at about $249.99 before taxes. Purchase link is in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. But let's take a look at the box. Now, it is recommended 16 ages and up, so, you know, if you aren't, you know, make sure to get some parental supervision or just an adult supervision. Alright, so to the back of the box here we have same thing you saw on the front. You just got a little look of how the controller looks. Now it do look like you're gonna have to use your cell phone or just smart device to as your LCD screen, so you can see what the drone sees as you're flying. Now right here it does have aircraft battery. This is the size of a battery. It's a 7.4 volt 2500 mAh portable design lithium battery. Let me zoom in so you guys can see right there. There we go. Flight time, they're saying it's about 12 to 50 minutes, which is plenty of time. And charging time, now that's kind of on the downside. It does say it's going to take 3 to 6 hours to charge. Depends on power supply capacity. So, you know, that's a very big gap, 3 to 6 hours. But hey, you charge this overnight. Actually, do not charge this overnight. Always keep an eye on it. But 36 hours, well, I'll do my own test on that and see what the charger that comes with actually, you know, how long it takes to charge. All right, and to this side here, you just have some. Let me zoom back out. Right at the bottom there, you just have the App Store. Now you can software download and installation, so you definitely want to download the HOLY STONE software in order to experience the FPV. And this side here, you just have the features of the drone. Let me hold it up so you guys can get a better look at that. There we go. So everything I was just saying, that's just it in more details, I guess. Oh, it does have colorful LCDs and propeller guard, so that's actually a nice look right there. Alright, and that's pretty much the box, guys. Let's dig into this box and see what comes inside. Now I already went ahead and cut the tape out, so do not mind, but let's dump into this box. I'm going to take everything out, and then, you know, we're going to see exactly what this drone has to offer us. Yeah, I haven't gotten a new drone in quite some time, so I'm a little excited to see what this guy has to offer. I cannot wait to actually go fly this thing, you know, and have some fun with it. I'm definitely gonna record those flights so you guys can, you know, feel along with me the experience of this drone. Alright, so this is it right here. Not too bad. I'm just gonna open this. Oops, sorry for the noise, guys. The styrofoam is kind of rubbing up against the plastic. Alright, let me get you guys a better angle of what's inside the box. Alright, so here's everything that you get. You get your instructions for use. Now, if you're not an experienced drone flyer, nor do you have a friend that has been flying drones for a while, you might want to browse through this just to get all the basics of flying the drone, and of course setting up something like this, because this is not kind of your beginner drone. This is more if you've had a little bit of experience and you want to step it up. You step it up with this guy right here. Alright, so let's take this out. We're going to take a look at that in a second. Matter of fact, let's just take everything out, and then we'll see all the goodies that we get with this drone. I feel like we're gonna get a lot of stuff. And I'm gonna like everything. I can already see the prop guards look a lot. What else we got? And I think this is extra landing gears. Oh wow, we get a lot of stuff in here. Wow. I didn't think we got all the stuff, guys. We get a lot of stuff in this little drone. Alright, so first off, let's check out these things right here. So these things look like they are, well, you get a screwdriver. I'm pretty sure you're going to need this for applying the props to the drone. You got little propeller spare parts right here. Oh, well, this is nice. I'm glad they include this. And this is pretty cool. Now, this is the micro SD card reader. So this is what you're going to use to kind of read your SD card. There we go. You're going to just slip it in there, plug it in your computer, and you're going to be able to get all the footage off of your flights. And these are all just extra parts in this little bag right here. Pretty cool. This other little bag here looks like it has a... This is a micro USB. I believe this is the charger. The battery's right here. Okay, so we got a charger. This bag looks really nice. You got a little booklet in here. I'm kind of curious of what this book is. Alright, so, ooh, it's a nice little book. I'm actually excited about this book. Ooh, oh, wow. So check this out, guys. We're going to spend a little time on this book. So, right here, my dear friend, we appreciate that you have walked into our lives with the purchase of your new drone. That's cool. So you got a little notebook right here. You can, I guess you can record your flights and whatnot. You get a little notepad right here, and you get some colored looking things here, which ooh, these are like, okay, that's kind of nice. I've never seen a drone come with a book before, so that's cool. Oh, all right. Shout out to Holy Stone. This is something new. I've never really experienced a book, like a little notebook, and it has a pen. No, is that a pen? It has a pen, guys. That is so neat. Shout out to Holy Stone. This is a pretty. I'm enjoying this unboxing. Oh, nice. I kind of like that. All right, go Holy Stone. You guys are doing a great job here. All right, so the battery is in here. Kind of. Oh, okay. It's a nice looking battery. Oh, so this is the charger for the battery. Oh, so now I understand what they're saying with the charge time. So they're only giving you the cable. So depending on your wall adapter, that'll probably kind of determine how fast the drone charges or the battery charges. So that's not bad. You actually control how fast your battery charge. Looks like we have full power. Can't wait to try this out a little bit later. And we have... we have 6 prop guards, 2 extra ones just in case we crash and mess up one of the guards. And we also get 2 spare landing gears. So that's nice, just in case, you know, once again you break a landing gear, you have some landing gear. Alright, looking good. The controller looks pretty nice as well. It actually feels, it's not too heavy, but I'm pretty sure we're going to have to put, oh, the controller is also rechargeable, guys. So no batteries in there, micro USB charger. Get the little hook here to run the strap around your neck. Up here looks like you have speed adjustment on that side, and then you have angle adjustment on that side for the camera. You have video recording, picture taking. I believe this is the follow me right here, and this one I believe is for GPS, possibly return to home. I'm not exactly sure, but we'll definitely find that out. Power button right here. Oh, it has juice, guys. Okay, let me turn that back off. There we go. This looks like auto land, auto takeoff, and this, I believe, looks like the return to home. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but this sure does look like the return to home button. Alright, so that's the controller, and this is the drone, guys. So this is a pretty cool looking drone. It's about the same size as the Phantom 3 Standard, but not as heavy. It's not as heavy as the Phantom. And yeah, I like the color actually. The LEDs are right at the bottom here. You know what? Let's plug the battery in just to see how bright these LEDs are. I'm probably going to get a night flight in this. I'm definitely going to run a night flight in this. I can't wait to do a night flight. There we go. The battery goes in. Battery on. There are the LEDs. Alright, so it looks like they're flashing red But if you guys notice when I turned them on earlier, check it out once again. You have blue and white. So that might be able to differentiate between the front and back when you're, you know, vertically above you. And the red lights will probably, you know, let you know of low voltage and that the battery's low. Alright, so this looks like a nice drone, guys. Pretty nice drone. It's not that bad. Here's the camera right here that's built on the drone. And it definitely has an angle adjustment. There we go. That's pretty good. Look, all the way down so you can kind of see, you know, right at the bottom of you. Yeah, guys, this drone is looking good. It's looking good for the price, guys. I can't wait to go test this out. Alright, and with that, this is where we're going to end the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button, comment below if you guys have anything to say, and stay tuned for the flight videos coming up pretty soon. But until then, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.